Perfection sucks. Actually, perfection is a speaker's kryptonite. It's something that we're always told to strive towards, but very few speakers actually get on stage and are completely satisfied. Many people think they will find perfection by copying and mirroring other people's style. But in reality, perfection comes from authenticity. You are the best at being yourself. Have you ever seen a speaker and they look fake? It's sort of like you can see them reading off a script even when one isn't there, or that they act like someone they're not. Sometimes you don't even feel like you can connect with these people, and it's mainly because they're not showing you these two things. First, they don't seem to be authentic. They don't seem natural because they're trying to be someone that they're really not. See, speaking is very different from acting. Speaking is all about being yourself. Acting, on the other hand, is about taking someone else's character. When people try to act instead of speak, this comes across. And the second thing is, there's a lack of vulnerability. Speaking is all about opening yourself up to others so that you can connect with them. And I must say, it's a very hard thing to do if you can't be open with others. So if you want to be a great speaker, make sure that you can be vulnerable with the audience. Now, I'm not going to go out there and be like, Kailash, this is an easy thing to do. It's actually one of the hardest things. It's an act of courage. And if someone really told me, hey, you know all of your flaws and weaknesses? Well, I want you to go up on stage and expose them to everybody and put yourself out there. I would be like, why? But the thing is, it's only through doing this that we have the ability to connect with the people around you. So don't worry about being perfect, because you'll never be. But the highest level of perfection that you can possibly reach is by showing the world who you truly are.